Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Northern Trust, accessible via their website at www.northerntrust.com, provides a wealth of financial services. While their online platform offers convenient access to account information and various resources, it's important to thoroughly investigate and understand the specific services they offer before making any decisions. Northern Trust has a long and established history in the financial world, catering primarily to high-net-worth individuals, families, and institutional investors. Their services typically include investment management, asset servicing, wealth planning, and banking solutions tailored to meet sophisticated financial needs. Navigating the complexities of wealth management requires careful consideration and due diligence. Therefore, exploring the details on their website is a crucial first step, but shouldn't be the only one. Potential clients are encouraged to consult with financial advisors to determine if Northern Trust services align with their individual circumstances and objectives. Remember, managing wealth effectively requires a comprehensive strategy and a trusted partner. Northern Trust positions itself as such a partner, but always conduct your own research and seek professional guidance to ensure your financial decisions are well informed and tailored to your specific requirements. Taking the time to understand the intricacies of their offerings, including any associated fees and potential risks, is paramount before engaging their services. This includes considering alternative providers and comparing their services and fee structures to those offered by Northern Trust. Ultimately, making informed decisions is key to achieving your financial goals. Therefore, utilize all available resources, including the Northern Trust website and professional consultations, to empower yourself in your financial journey. Don't hesitate to reach out to Northern Trust directly for further clarification or to schedule a consultation to discuss your unique needs and goals. Their website provides contact information and often features helpful resources like FAQs and educational materials. By thoroughly investigating and understanding the services offered, you can make more confident and informed decisions about your financial future. Always prioritize your financial well-being and seek expert advice whenever needed.